Apparently, I have a message from your angels today. And it's very deep. I want you to close your eyes. I want you to take deep breath in. I'm hearing that you made a choice recently, and this choice was powered by your angels, guardian angels, archangels watching over you since your birth. I'm tapping into a very golden child. You're a mystic. You're a leader of this new planet. You have been very distracted before making this choice. You have been extremely tempted. It could involve love. You question a love interest, a love connection. Oh my God, my sacral chakra key. Because they ruined your life. Ex-partner or family member or siblings, they abused your time, your energy, your sexual energy. You've been doing a considerable inner work. You stayed isolated, alone. It's the truth. My nose is itchy. And you've been slowly but surely taking your power back. As you were close from the outcome, the temptation became more and more powerful. As you being reunited with a specific person, it's the miracle of the Most High. It was the divine orchestration of the Most High since the beginning. Every single story that happened to you, everything that you were alone going through, was watched by the universe. Every effort you did while you were alone, everything was seen by your ancestors, your angels. Every single tears you cried was seen. Every BS they did behind your back or said behind your back was seen and heard. To lead you to this decision you took recently, because they put you the doubt they raised you, or they projected on you all of their fears. You, as a natural soul, your essence, the core of who you truly are, you are a vibrating being of the Most High. You are the light incarnated on this planet, and they polluted your soul. I'm hearing not in vain. My God, I know this so itchy. Not in vain. Prepare for something spectacular. Ooh, I got chills. Because the mastery of God we are talking about here, you're going to demonstrate to the whole world what it is to never give up on yourself. You're going through a Kundalini awakening, or you're about to go through the most accurate Kundalini awakening so far. It's going to allow this sacred technology to rise, this deconstruction I'm hearing of this program 7-7 on the screen. Deconstruction of their fears, their program, every layers, to come back to the core of who you truly are. And who you truly are is God. Yeah, the world isn't ready for you as the world is about to meet God. When two beings of the highest light have been working on their traumas, allowing the serpent fire to rise for them to become pure, aligning with the divine essence of the universe, love, they're becoming the hidden, forbidden weapon. And that's God's mastery. Vibrating oneness, mirroring God. If you want to experience the true activation of your soul, help yourself raise this Kundalini, become one again, transmute your deepest traumas, check my website. And until next time, namaste.